Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Sewers, guys, this chapter is the most interesting till now. So far I'm very excited because I'm creating little elements for expand the fake space that is actually beyond the sewers walls. For doing that I have created illusion, optical illusion. It's a very fun process. It's just something that you can try. Yeah, you can go by trials and errors, but at the end, the result is very, very fun. And then I just created a classic sewer hole for, a canal for the liquid of the sewers to go out, a classic gate in a round hole, basically. Then another element that breaks actually the space, it's a stairway that is actually going nowhere. Now I need to finish the big canal, so I need to create an arch and something else for having the exit of the dark waters, okay? That being said, I need to fix a little bit now the elements, but yeah, we are at a good point, so crack on. So this is the point that we need to close, okay, with some arch, something like that. The initial idea was to use this. This could be very interesting because just by cutting it I will create the effect of something that is much deeper. So maybe, yeah, this is the right way to do it. Let's try to cut it. I'm gonna cut this part and then we will use this outside. So it's not important to be super precise, guys. There you go. Yeah, I can see it. Can also place it a little bit higher. Nice. Let's create a little floor. As always, this is kind of improvisational, guys. Yeah, beautiful. I like it. Now some support on the back. Here we go. More than beautiful. And we will create something there. Okay. Now I want to create the inner pavimentation with this very thin foam, okay? So the idea is to use these pieces, okay, as a floor. So
Yeah, and we go with the hot glue gun.
Wait, guys, before leave, an important message. If you like my work, if you like these videos, if you are watching these videos and you want to see more, please consider to support me on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and also you will get instant access to a lot of material, included my fantasy modeling course that is fully online right now. A big shout out to all my Patreon supporters. You are the reason why I'm doing this. You are my best inspiration, and your support is the reason why I can keep going, I can keep improve and do better and better with you in this beautiful community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!